Welcome to this Jam on Toast recipe. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my song Cloud Watching, and it's from the album More Jam on Toast. And you can check out the lyrics and the music in the songbook as well. I'm going to be teaching it to you phrase by phrase, and you can sing along with me. So let's get started.
Jam on Toast.
So this song, Cloud Watching, is about being able to find shapes of objects in clouds. Sometimes when I look up at a cloud, I can see things like an elephant. Sometimes clouds look like dragons or a dinosaur. And sometimes clouds look like the combination of a couple of different things. It might have the head of a bear and maybe the tail of an alligator. What sort of things do you see in clouds when you look up to the sky? It's a beautiful day outside. The sun is shining in the big blue sky. There's lots of fluffy clouds of white. So take my hand, we'll find a place to lie. Look up, look up, look up, look up, and tell me, what do you see? Look up, look up, look up, look up. Let your imagination run free. Sing it with me and come. Cloud watching, I'm going. Cloud watching, won't you come? Cloud watching with me. What do you see? When you see someone looking down, their head hangs low, their eyes to the ground. The best thing that you can do now is take their hand and sing out loud. Look up, look up, look up, look up, and tell me, what do you see? Look up, look up, look up, look up. Let your imagination run free. And come, cloud watching, I'm going. Cloud watching, won't you come? Cloud watching with me. What do you see? So there's the first verse and the second verse of Cloud Watching. There is, of course, the bridge section as well, which you might want to have a listen to the rest of the song on the recording to hear about this boy who couldn't turn on his imagination and couldn't see anything in the clouds. I hope that's not you. I hope you have a great imagination and you can see all sorts of shapes in the clouds. Now, if it's a nice day, you might want to go outside and check out any fluffy clouds to see what you can see in the clouds. Now, the video of Cloud Watching uses beautiful illustrations by an artist called Lisa Coutts. And you might like to draw your own pictures of things that you've seen in clouds before as well. And I'd love to see them as well, so send them in. That's all from me. My name is Jamie. I hope you can have a listen to the video as well and check out those beautiful illustrations and maybe make your own drawings of things that you've seen in the clouds as well. See you later. Bye.
Jam on Toast.